Welcome back to Real Talk on Manifestation. We are back again with some incredible stories where people dare to follow their dreams and work their way to success. So today we have a very special guest on our episode who truly followed her passion, turning challenges into opportunities and hence empowering positive mindset to create something extraordinary for people. So join me in welcoming Nirali Choksi, who is a self-taught chef and an owner of Neeru's Kitchen, who has turned her passion and love for food into a thriving profession. So let's know more about Nirali. So Nirali, you have built an amazing following of 1,40,000+ followers on Instagram with your recipes. So how has your journey been so far? Like, what has inspired you to take this path?
So the journey has been quite interesting and challenging. I started with my cloud kitchen during COVID, so that was 5 years back. And initially, I was just into, selling. I was focused only on the cloud kitchen, and I had this, foodie kida in me that I want to try, new flavors, new recipes. So I used to post a lot about it on my cloud kitchen page, and I used to get a lot of requests that why don't you share recipes with us?
Yeah.
So this page just came into existence, just as a hobby. And it's just been 1.5 years and we are here, and I have started developing this page professionally, and it has been very interesting, and every day I have been learning something new. So yeah, that foodie kida in me has inspired me a lot to take this a step ahead. And yeah, it's this profession, this complete journey has been very interesting. I'm just loving the whole process.
Good. So जैसे आपने ये start किया था, that was something new for you. So how did you overcome? मतलब कहीं ना कहीं तो ऐसा fear आया होगा कि what if I fail? So
Definitely.
How did you overcome that?
So initially when I started, I was actually stepping into an industry where already there are so many creators.
Definitely.
So I feel it's not only about the food industry. In any industry you go, it's very competitive.
Yes.
So competition will always be there, and yes, it was actually that point where I used to feel that my recipes are not such. I don't know how to shoot. I don't know how to create a recipe which is looking good aesthetically. So initially I was trying to focus more on the aesthetics and not on the recipe part, like the content part, that what kind of recipe it should be.
Because the Instagram is like that.
Instagram is like that I was overwhelmed seeing all the aesthetics on everyone's page, and I thought that how will I create my own space in this? So yes, the start was very daunting, but I tried to be persistent in what I was doing, and I tried to create my own niche, that okay, I have to focus on the recipes. So that learning process was happening each and every day, and I was growing each and every day, learning new things, seeing the other creators, seeing what is working on Instagram, and actually what is working for me as a creator, because every creator has their own niche. So they have to focus on what kind of followers they have, and you have to be very much engaged to know what is actually happening over. So yeah, that's it.
Great. So Nirali, it is said that energy affects the food. मतलब अब जब खाना बना रहे हो तो आपके जो thoughts है, जो energy से आप खाना बनाते हो, that affects the food. So have you had any experience like that?
Yes, definitely. I mean, whatever kind of food you make, if you have positive energy in you, that actually affects your recipe. Like my recipes have turned out to be really good. जब मैं पूरे दिल से खाना बनाती हूँ. Why people say that दिल से खाना बनाना is very important.
Yes.
Like I have had those days जब I'm not in that mindset, I'm not in that mood to cook, and my recipes have not turned out well. Like मैंने शूट भी काफ़ी बार रिपीट किया है पूरा, लाइक पूरी मेरे को मेहनत वापस करनी पड़ी है, क्योंकि वो जो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है, फाइनल आउटपुट है, वो नहीं अच्छा आया है.
Because of the
energy, the positive vibe, that is very important. Whenever, like, it's not only about the recipes. If you are cooking at home also for your parents, for your loved ones, that energy is very important.
So जैसे बिके शिवानी भी हमें हमेशा ये मोटिवेट करती है कि आपके घर का एक माहौल होता है, एक वाइब होता है. वो वाइब कहाँ से आता है? Because every day while you are cooking, every day you are putting that energy. So if you are gossiping while talking and you are sharing all that negative thoughts, so that goes into the food, and जो वो खाना खाते हैं उसके ऊपर भी directly affect
करता है. Definitely.
Every day अगर वो पूरा एक चैनल आज negative thoughts से बनाया, कल भी, तो वो एक पूरी series of negativity होती है, and तब जाके फिर उनका माहौल ही ऐसा होता है.
करेक्ट. सो मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द पर्सन हु इज मेकिंग द फूड. आप बना रहे हो, जो खा रहा है, तो वो पूरा एक एक पूरा लाइन हो जाता है, यू नो दैट लाइन इज ऑलवेज देयर कि यहाँ से यहाँ पास ऑन हो रहा है, यहाँ से आगे पास ऑन हो रहा है, सो दैट एनर्जी takes a toll on the person who is actually having the food. So having a positive energy or having a right mindset whenever you are cooking, whenever you are shooting, it's very important. I take care of that a lot, and when I have had bad days, I actually don't cook, or I actually, you know, take a break and just, you know, relax, and then next day again I am all pumped up that okay, now let's do it.
Yeah, and what we can do also, like so even if you are going to restaurant or if you are going to somebody's place for having dinner or lunch, so what we can do before having that food also, we can pass on some positive energies before having that food,
having
because
that
we
food.
don't know वो कौन सी एनर्जी से बना हुआ है.
That is very true.
So we can
very
pass.
true.
और जब भी जैसे हम लोग ये सत्यनारायण की कथा का जो वो शीरा
बनता है,
तो जब वो होती है जब पूजा घर पे, तभी वो बनता है,
तभी वो बनता है.
Without वो पूजा अगर आप वो बनाने जाओगे वो टेस्ट
नहीं आएगा. So that is all energy.
Yeah, it is all energy.
Positive energy, and that energy is very important.
Yeah, because we
affects,
all know कि वो भगवान के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो सब लोग इतने अच्छे इंटेंशन से वो बनाते हैं.
Wholeheartedly आप वो चीज करोगे.
So ये तो शायद like we all have experienced, क्योंकि उसके अलावा भी we try a lot कि वो उसके जैसा बने, पर वो टेस्ट
नहीं बनता. वो उसी दिन बनेगा जिस दिन कथा होती है. That is true. People feel it's superstitious, but no, that's energy. That positive energy speaks louder. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and as you were also into 9 to 5 job earlier before starting this journey, so what would be that one piece of advice that you would like to share to all the 9 to 5 you know, who are still into that 9 to 5 job?
So jobs have, like, you know, everybody has a different perception about jobs. People feel that 9 to 5 is very monotonous, and you know, सब बोलते हैं कि मुझे मेरा कुछ अपना start करना है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है. I just feel that if you are enjoying your 9 to 5 job, then you should definitely, you know, stick to that. If you are not enjoying and you are just feeling that the whole process is very monotonous, मैं grow नहीं कर रही हूँ, मुझे आगे कुछ फायदा दिख नहीं रहा है, and you are taking yourself aback that नहीं मेरा ये job है तो मुझे जो करना है मैं वो नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. If you want to actually do what you like, you know, you want to start something of your own, and if you are really passionate about that, you should take that leap. It's very important.
So rather than, you know, complaining, you should identify the solution. You need to identify your passion.
Yes.
कि मुझे कहाँ पे आगे बढ़ना
है. 9 to 5 job में, like personally, if I speak about myself, my whole journey was very monotonous, and I was not finding that growth. मतलब मैं खुद भी ग्रो नहीं कर रही थी. जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन मुझे इतना नहीं हो रहा था. सो आई वाज जस्ट, यू नो, दैट फीलिंग वाज लैकिंग, दैट, यू नो, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई वाज जस्ट फीलिंग, आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग कंटेंटेड कि ओके ये डे मेरा ऐसे ही निकल गया.
एंड आल्सो वी आर नॉट एबल टू गिव आवर 100%.
दैट exactly. So that is why I took this whole leap, and I started off with my cloud kitchen, and since then the journey has just been very interesting. Yeah.
So we can say that unconsciously you were
completely unconsciously I was manifesting the whole process, and that is where I came across your page, and then I was like, this is my journey. Okay, this has been my whole journey. The terminology, yes, and I was actually manifesting this whole thing. So yeah, manifestations, affirmations, okay, that has been a part of my journey since 2 to 3 years now, and it has really helped me grow.
Yeah. Yes. So this is called unconscious manifestation. So manifestation is not about, so even though there are people who don't know about manifestation, but with that positive mindset, and जैसे कि मैंने आपने बताया कि you were very consistent.
Yes.
Right, even though your recipes were failing, but you kept on going.
Correct.
So वो जो एक attitude है कि वो consistent रहना, to have that positive mindset, even if the things are not going well, that is also one unconscious manifestation.
Correct.
So manifestation is all about what you think you become. So you are constantly thinking that I want to do something, I want to follow my passion, and I want to grow doing my passion every day.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's what you manifested, and that's how you have everything in front of your eyes.
Correct. Yes. So manifestation is very important. Like if you're working, be it your, you know, you can be in any industry, or you would be doing a job. You would be an entrepreneur, but manifestation is very important because that gives you that self-satisfaction at the end of the day, and you feel happy about it.
Exactly, and it helps you to, you know, keep moving,
keep going, and it actually keeps you sane also, and you can actually build up your thought process that okay next
Exactly.
day क्या है, कैसे आगे बढ़ना है. You have those affirmations in your mind, so
Exactly.
the whole process is very important. It's all linked together.
Yeah, and it
Yeah.
is also important कि कभी अगर ऐसा थॉट भी आता है ना दैट ये कैसे होगा, कोई बार नेगेटिव थॉट भी आ गया, तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्शियसली स्टॉप दैट थॉट कि
Thought.
उसको हमारे अंदर उसको बिठाना नहीं है.
नहीं है,
राइट,
नहीं है.
वी हैव टू एक वो चेन पुल करनी है एंड देन यू गिव ऑल द पॉजिटिव, आई विल डू इट, आई कैन डू इट.
Definitely, yes. That's the whole process. That's self-motivation. So again, yeah, it's
that positive
part
mindset,
of positive mindset and manifestation. Yes.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Nirali, for sharing your journey. So Nirali ki journey is a reminder for everyone that it's never too late to take a chance on your dreams. So stay tuned for our next episodes on Real Talk on Manifestation. Till then, keep dreaming big.